This video I gonna show you how to schedule posts on Facebook pages. So let's get started. So to do that, first you have to open your Facebook app, then click on the plus icon, click on post, write your post, then click on next. In this menu, click on scheduling options. You can publish your post now or schedule it for later. So for this video, I will schedule for later. So click on it. You must have to select 30 minutes after. So let me do it 1:45 am. Click on OK. Now you have successfully scheduled your post on Facebook page. It will be posted on 1:45 am.